Hey everyone, Richard Reed here, better known as the HVAC Repair Guy. With over 17 years in the field and a background as a nuclear power electrician, I'm here to give you the straight talk on ductless mini splits. Today, we're doing a head-to-head comparison between two brands you'll find in the dealer market, AireForce and Arcoaire. Both of these brands are manufactured in China, but they offer very different value propositions. To keep this a fair fight, we are looking at their top tier models from the ultimate category. Representing AireForce is the 25.5 SEER2 Deluxe. Facing off against it from Arcoaire is the Deluxe Series, model D5C Let's look at how they perform where it counts. First up is efficiency. In the ultimate category, you expect high numbers. The AireForce model delivers a solid 25.5 SEER rating, which is great for keeping your utility bills low. However, the Arcoaire Deluxe is on another level entirely, boasting a massive 33.1 SEER rating. If you're looking for the absolute maximum energy savings, Arcoaire is the clear winner on the spec sheet, but efficiency isn't everything. There's also the noise factor. This is where AireForce fights back. Its indoor unit operates at a whisper quiet 21 decibels. To put that in perspective, the Arcoaire Deluxe runs at 29 decibels indoors. While both are quiet, you'll definitely notice the AireForce is much closer to being silent. Even outdoors, the AireForce unit is slightly quieter at 54 decibels compared to Arcoaire's 57. Now, before we get into the warranties and my final pick, I want to ask you a question. When you're choosing a mini split for your bedroom or living space, which do you prioritize more? Having the highest possible energy efficiency rating or having the quietest operation possible? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I'd love to see which way you lean. Moving on to features, both units offer voice control and auto cleaning. However, the Arcoaire model packs in extra tech like an occupancy sensor and the ability to work with ceiling units, which the AireForce Ultimate model lacks. Now, let's talk about the big one, the warranty. In my world, a warranty tells you how much a manufacturer trusts their own equipment. AireForce offers a 5-year parts and 7-year compressor warranty. That's okay, but Arcoaire doubles down with a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty. Plus, Arcoaire includes a 10-year unit replacement warranty if the compressor fails. That is massive peace of mind. So, what's my final pick? AireForce is the choice if silence is your number one priority. But as a repairman looking for long-term value, the Arcoaire Deluxe Series is my winner. Between the superior 33.1 SEER efficiency and that ironclad 10-year replacement warranty, it's just the better investment for your home. Thanks for watching. For more unbiased ratings, visit me at hvacforbeginners.com. I'm the HVAC Repair Guy, and I'll see you on the next one.